think that might be a helicopter. As you guys can see over there. Whoa. I don't know where that helicopter is going. Looks like it's shining a lot over there. That's kind of crazy. Oh, it's impossible to see through the lens, but I could see it through my own eyes. Maybe they're doing something, I don't know, who knows. Still hear it. I always wonder what it is. Still flying. Unless it's flying that way. Or just that way in general. It's not moving. Oh yeah, it's moving obviously, but the noise is just going quieter. I'm assuming it's going to be all for, yeah, it's going that way, I can tell. Well, go like and subscribe, etc. It's Aussie over and out.